perfect storm of factors coming together. One factor being that I suffered a broken back on September 17th, 2025, and I'm wearing a back brace. And this thing through the back is as hard as a cat. And I was in the backyard just trying to relax and have a little bit of time away from the pain that I've been enduring, as my injury was about 9 or 10 days old, something like that at that point. It happened on a Wednesday. This accident happened on a Saturday. So it was 10 days later.